Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Bright Path LLC elected to be taxed as an S corporation 3 years ago. On July 1st of the current year, the company amended its operating agreement to allow preferred unit that receive disproportionate distribution compared to common stock. Voting rights remain the same for all owners. What's the tax consequences of this change? So 3 years ago, we said we want to be an S corporation. We made that election. Now notice we're not outside the 5-year period, so we cannot change. But what happened here? Now we need to know a little bit about S corporation. What do we know about S corporation? They could only have one class of stock. What happened here is we issued a new class of stock, preferred unit. What happened if you lost your S corporation status? You lost your S corporation status. Therefore, what happened is the S corporation terminates on July 1st, and the entity is taxed as an C corporation from that date forward. And from this date, they have to wait 5 years if they want to go back to S corporation. Now let's assume, let's look at the other answers and we'll make a few assumptions. S election continues because voting rights are unchanged? No. Once you have a new type of unit stocks, you're out. The S corporation terminate at the end of the tax year. It terminate on July 1st immediately. The entity becomes a disregarded entity as of July 1st. No, you don't. You become a C corporation. Now, if you made a mistake, if the corporation made a mistake, honest mistake, it could happen that the lawyer or the CPA did not understand the rules. You want to contact the IRS as soon as possible and let them know so you can rectify the issue. But again, it's case-by-case situation, but this is what you need to know. But generally speaking, the correct answer for the exam is the S election is terminated and the entity is taxed as a C, and you can't go back until 5 years from July 1st of that year. Now, if you are using Farhat Lectures, you could ask AI to explain this topic if you want to, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. If you are studying for the CPA, EA exam, tax course, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, resources, AI exercises, AI resources. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.